What if I told you there's an SUV that packs 680 horsepower, sprints to 60 in under 3 seconds, and still manages to cruise silently through your neighborhood on electric power alone? Meet the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLC 63 S E Performance Coupe, the most powerful GLC ever created, and quite possibly the most contradictory vehicle on sale today. This isn't your typical AMG. Under that sleek graphite gray paint lurks a technological tour de force that combines a handcrafted twin-turbo V8 with an electric motor mounted on the rear axle. The result is a mind-bending 680 horsepower and 752 pound-feet of torque, numbers that would embarrass most supercars from just a decade ago. Yet here they are, stuffed into what's essentially a family hauler with a sloping roofline. Step inside and you're greeted by AMG's signature black Nappa leather treatment, complete with carbon fiber accents that remind you this isn't just another luxury crossover. The steering wheel alone, wrapped in microfiber with carbon paddle shifters, feels like it belongs in a GT race car. Every surface screams performance, from the heavily bolstered seats to the AMG-specific displays that show everything from G-forces to hybrid power flow. But here's where things get interesting. Despite weighing nearly 5,000 pounds thanks to its complex hybrid system, this GLC defies physics. The standard air suspension and rear-wheel steering work together to shrink the car around you when the road gets twisty. Plant your right foot, and the acceleration is simply violent, the kind that makes passengers grab for the door handles, while the AMG Performance exhaust bellows a symphony that costs extra but feels essential. The price tag reads just over €163,000 as configured here, which puts it firmly in Porsche Cayenne Turbo E-hybrid territory. That's serious money for serious performance. You're paying for engineering excellence, for a plug-in hybrid system that can deliver hypercar acceleration while still offering around 30 miles of electric-only range for your morning coffee run. The technical wizardry extends beyond just the powertrain. Those stunning 21-inch AMG light alloy wheels wrapped in Y-spoke design aren't just for show. They're hiding massive carbon ceramic brakes that can haul this 2-ton beast down from Autobahn speeds without breaking a sweat. The AMG aerodynamics package doesn't just add visual aggression with its extended splitters and diffusers, it actually generates meaningful downforce at triple-digit speeds. Even the night package exterior treatment serves a purpose, blacking out the chrome elements to reduce glare during spirited night drives, while giving the GLC an unmistakably menacing presence. The technology integration is equally impressive. The AMG Drive unit on the center console lets you switch between multiple personality modes, from whisper quiet electric to track-focused race, each completely transforming the car's character. The hybrid system's party trick is its ability to deploy electric boost instantly, filling in any turbo lag so comprehensively that throttle response feels naturally aspirated. Mercedes has even included a drift mode for those brave enough to unleash all that torque sideways, though you'll need a closed course and excellent insurance to fully explore that feature. The 9-speed automatic transmission, specifically calibrated for this hybrid setup, fires off shifts with dual-clutch rapidity while maintaining the smoothness expected of a luxury vehicle. What makes this AMG truly special isn't just the raw numbers or the technology showcase. It's how Mercedes has managed to blend Jekyll and Hyde personalities into one coherent package. One moment you're silently gliding through city traffic, the next you're unleashing all 680 horses on an empty on-ramp, watching the digital speedometer blur past legal limits faster than you can process what's happening. This is the future of performance arriving today, wrapped in a practical shape with 4 doors and genuine cargo space. The 2025 GLC 63 SE Performance Coupe proves that the electric revolution doesn't mean the end of excitement. If anything, it's just the beginning of something even more thrilling. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.